So today we're unboxing these 16 pieces of 4-ounce spice bottles. So when you open it up, you have the stickers. You do have some pre-written up stickers. You can also write on this to create your own customized stickers. It's well protected, and you have these cases like this. So the bottles look like this, and they are covered with this kind of label this covering. When you remove the bottles, inside the box you have your spice dispenser for the shaker to create a shaker lid. It has the shaking section, and then it has the pouring section, and then you also do have a funnel that you can use when you are putting your spices in there. You also have a brush to clean the bottles, and the marker to use to write to customize your own spice. So I'm going to dispense my ginger spice into this. This is much more attractive. Into the bottle. Dispense it in there. I'm going to take my spice shaker cover labeled with ginger. Take that and just put it like this. They are good to go. So these bottles are 4-ounce bottles, and they're pre-labeled, and of course you can arrange them in a shelf, you can arrange them in the drawer. Very, very durable material, and there's nothing else to say about it. I love it. I love how simple and classy it looks.